You know, you never really stop thinking about your patients, even when you're not on the ward. It's actually become a habit of mine to check the patient status engine for my patient stats before I go into hospital. It just helps me be more, well, mentally prepared. I then know exactly what I'm going into.
I often think as a nurse, you need a set of eyes in the back of your head. But with the PSE, you actually do. The PSE is really easy to set up. It gets rid of the need for lots of different devices and monitors, and also helps to create a paperless ward.
Having the PSE has really revolutionised the way I evaluate my patient's health. I get real-time data of vital signs, and the data, well, it's continuous. I can access it on my laptop or any device I have to hand. What's really good is the data is presented in a way that gives me a snapshot at a glance, and it also allows me to drill down into the patient's statistics if I need more detail.
Knowing that my patients are constantly being monitored makes me more efficient in my work as a whole. It also gives me time to actually sit down and chat with my patients and their families and really understand them as patients. If my patient is asleep, I don't have to wake them up. I can monitor them overnight. It's good to know that if I don't have my eyes on the patient at that moment, the PSC does. And it's not just a system that makes life easier for us, it also makes our patients more mobile too. Being in hospital doesn't necessarily always mean being bedbound.
If there's any deterioration or change in my patient, I know immediately. In most cases, it's the system being proactive. Either way, the early warning score lets me know straight away where I'm most needed in the ward.
With the PSE, we're never in the dark. We don't have to look back to see what we've missed. The technology allows us to be proactive.
At the end of the day, it means peace of mind for everyone and better care for my patients. I couldn't really ask for anything more.